Assalamualaikum children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Again we are back with math subject. You can see on the screen worksheet number 10. This is the week 4 video. Worksheet number 10. Here in the worksheet number 10 you have a concept of near and far. In our previous video, in our previous worksheet I have given the concept of big and small. And today in today's worksheet I am going to give you near and far concept. What is near and what is far we will see today. Okay children? See here, near and far. Look at the pictures. See near and far. Here you can see on the screen pictures. Here bird and ball. Bird and ball. Same picture in one box you can see, but see the difference there. This bird and this ball is so near to each other. You can see this. The ball and the bird is so near. But here also you can see bird and ball, but this bird and this ball is far. The ball is far from the bird. You can see the far means with something which is far, which is जो चीज़ अपन से बहुत दूर है, that we call far. If something is बहुत करीब होती है, we call it near. So you can see here, this is called near and this is called far. This is the example. Here also you can see children, the girl and the dog. Here in this picture you can see the girl is far from the dog. See, the dog is so far from the girl. But here you can see the girl and the boy is so near. The girl and the dog is so near. So this is the difference between near and far. I'll show you here. See this picture down children. See this. The tree. Here is the tree and there is one cat near the tree and there is one more cat far from the tree. This cat is so far from the tree and this cat is near the tree. You can see here in this picture. The dog is near the picture. In this picture the dog is so near and this dog is so far. You can see this dog is so far. So this is only today's concept children. I will show you activity worksheet. See here in our worksheet number 10 we have a concept of near and far. Color the animal which is near the tree. See the heading, color the animal which is near the tree. You can see there is a tree, there are animals, some are near to the tree and some animals are far. Far means जो चीज़ दूर होती है children, that we call far, and जो चीज़ करीब होती है, to that we call near. You can see how many animals are near to the tree. We have to color those animals. Okay children, see here, see the fox, lion, cat, bird, butterfly. You can see many animals are there in the picture, but see the heading, color the animal which is near to the tree. Here there is a tree. Wherever you are finding the animal which is nearer to the tree, we have to color them. Okay, you can see, is the fox near to the tree? No. The fox is so far. You can see the distance between the tree and the fox. It is far. So this animal is far. We have to color only the near animal. See, the lion is near to the tree. So here we are going to color lion. Okay, we are going to color lion because the lion is near to the tree. Color it carefully. After the lion, more animals are there. Find out and tell me. Shall I circle the butterfly? Shall I color the butterfly? No. Why? Because the butterfly is far from the tree. You can see the butterfly is so far. See, we have done with the color. Now see, shall I color the butterfly? No. Why? Because the butterfly is far. We have to color only the near animal. See, the bird is near the tree. In fact, the bird is sitting on the tree. So here we can color the bird. Okay? Color the bird. Done? Now see, more animals are there. One more animal which is near the tree. Cat. You can find cat here. The cat is near the tree. So we can color the cat as well. Color it. So which animals we are coloring? We are coloring to the animals who are near the tree. Okay. So this is the concept of near and far. I'll show you. If you turn the page, worksheet number 10, if you turn it, you will see one more activity. Circle the tree which is far from the house. You can see there is a beautiful house and the trees are there, many trees. But we have to circle the tree which is far from the house. You can see there is a beautiful house, and beside that you can see there is a tree which is very near to this house. But we have to circle only the far trees. You can see more trees are there which is far from this house. So we have to circle only the far trees. Here you can see this tree is so far from the house. Circle it. Okay? We are circling the tree which is far from the house. Circle it. Is this near or far? This is also far. You can see the distance. This tree is far from the house. Okay, you have to circle only the tree which is far from the house. So this is your worksheet number 10. In your worksheet number 11, you will have a concept of shapes. We have shape now. In our previous video, which shape we learned? We learned circle. Okay. So on the screen, which shape you can see here? Trace the shape square and color it. You can see the square is having 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square is having 4 sides. 2 same size, then 2 same size. 4 sides. 2 equal sides and 2 equal sides. So this is the shape square. We have dots, children. We have to trace the dots. See here. Trace the dots from here. Go slowly, slowly. And trace it. Slowly. Very carefully. 1. Okay. Trace the dots. Trace it, and then after finishing that you have to color the square. Okay, here inside you have to do the color. Which is your favorite color, children? Can you tell me? Mine is yellow. I'm going to do yellow color in the square because yellow color is my favorite. I'm going to do yellow color inside. Which is your favorite color? You can do in the square. Okay. Which shape we are doing, children? Which shape we are coloring? We are coloring square. Square have 4 equal sides. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides do square have? Square have 4 equal sides. Equal means same to same. You can see here there is no difference between the 4 sides. 4 are equal. So this is which color we are doing? Yellow color. This is yellow. The color yellow, 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 yellow. Do you know what color is this? This is yellow. So here, this is the activity. Which shape we have done? Square. Square have 4 equal sides. So if you turn the page, you can see trace the dots and complete the square shape. Here many dots are there. You just have to trace it and complete the square shape. Square have 4 equal sides. Say and trace. Square have 4 equal sides. You can see the difference. There is no difference. All the 4 sides are equal. Square have 4 equal sides. So the whole page you have to trace the square shape. Which shape it is? Square shape. After this, you have worksheet number 12. In your worksheet number 12, you can see here, trace the number 2. We have number again. In our previous worksheet, we have learned number 1 and today we are going to learn number 2. Trace the number 2. Curve, sleeping line. Okay. See here, 2 balls. How many balls? 1, 2. 2 balls. So here you have to trace the number 2. Trace it. Trace it 2-3 times. Trace the number 2 curve, sleeping line. And here also you have curve, sleeping line. 2. Curve, sleeping line. 2. Curve, sleeping line. 2. This is called number 2. Full page you have to trace like this. Curve, sleeping line. Okay children, after if you turn this page, you have more activities. Count and color 2 balls. You can see how many balls are there. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 balls are there. But what is there in the heading? Count and color 2 balls. We have to color only 2 balls, children. Okay? But here it is given us 3 balls, but we have to color only 2 balls. Okay, this is 1. We are going to do color. Which color we are doing, children? Blue color. Which color? Blue color. And how many balls we are going to color now? 2 balls. How many balls? 2 balls. Slowly. Very slowly. The color should not come out of the ball. Okay, if it comes out, it looks dirty. Slowly do it. Finish. So this is called 2 balls, 1 and 2. Here also you can see down one more activity. Circle the number 2. You can see many numbers are there. Here one example. Here we have to circle only number 2. Wherever you are finding number 2, you have to circle. Okay? Is this a number 2? No. Is this a number 2? No. Is this a number 2? Yes. Circle it. Is this a number 2? Yes. Circle it. Is this a number 2? No. Is this a number 2? Yes. Circle it. Is this a number 2? No. Is this a number 2? No. Is this a number 2? Yes. Circle it. Is this a number 2? Yes. Circle it. So, here we have circled the number 2. So, this is your week 4 worksheets. Do it and send it to me. Thank you all.